just press record. You need to hold the box up, I can't see it.
Right, yeah.
You're in the dark, but it doesn't matter.
No, I can lighten it up.
Yeah. We're going.
Hello, it's Rob here with Mark on the camera.
Hello!
And we're going to do an unboxing of my new birthday present from Peter Smith of TT-01E Creations. So, let's get it out.
What is it?
It's a racing truck.
It's a Buggyra Fat Fox. Get that, dude. You want it? Unbox it, dude.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Ta-da! We cheated. It's already unboxed because, we just did a present.
It's already unboxed because Peter wrapped all of this stuff up in birthday paper.
Yeah. Shall I show them, Rob?
Yeah.
It's on the floor. There you go. There it is, look. Everything was wrapped individually. So, we unwrapped it. And
we have.
That's your unboxing, guys. So
it is.
If you want to see what's in the box, hang about.
Yes. So, we'll start off with the body because it's in two parts.
It is, because it's massive, ain't it, mate?
It's in more than two parts, really. But
well, it will be when you cut it out.
Two moulds.
Two moulds, that's
so
right.
We've got the main body, then the cab, and then the back of the cab.
And the back of the cab. There's a lot.
And then some
you've got
other
that
stuff.
hitch plate, and then you've got mud guards as well at the back.
They are mud guards.
And there's even a little number plate on the back, Rob.
Aye.
There's plenty to do there. That's going to take you, I reckon that's going to take you 10 times longer than it is to build the actual chassis. That's my prediction.
And mine.
So where do you want to go, dude?
Right, well, we'll start off. We've got plastic bits.
Plasticky bits.
This is the bumper.
That's a rear bumper, not a front bumper. And you can put lights in that, Rob. I saw it in the instructions.
Are you sure?
I don't
know.
The lights go in the rear bumper, not the front.
Right.
It comes equipped for lights, guys, but you don't get the lights with it.
No, you don't.
Don't come so there.
But hey, I might have to make some.
I think it's all basically standard TT-01E chassis, Rob, is it?
It is, yeah.
I think it's TT-01E, yeah.
However, we've got...
So it's the latest TT-01.
I think I'm going to end up with quite a few spare body posts, mate, because we've got little ones here, bigger ones, bendier ones.
Alright, do they fit TT-02? Because I need some.
Oh, I don't know, but we've also got these.
That's an extender kit.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Rob, that's definitely an extension kit, that is.
We'll see once...
I know what I'm talking about.
Once we get it there. No, nor me. So we've done that,
If somebody tells us,
no idea what the other bits are, but we'll find out when I build it. We've got a bathtub chassis.
Oh, good chassis that.
It is. With a couple of stickers already stuck on.
Stuck on stickers?
Yes. And then we've got parts bag A.
Yay!
Which is differential gears.
Yeah.
And motor plates.
And notice it's metal gears, guys, not like TT-02, which is plastic gears. Not that I've got nothing against plastic gears, Rob.
No, they've lasted long as far as I'm concerned. Parts bag B.
Springs.
Which is springs and some more differential gears by the looks of that.
Yes. And screws and stuff.
Parts bag C, which is, stuff and stuff. Screws and R-clips.
For a box spanner. I've got about 50 of them box spanners, Rob.
I chuck them straight in the bin now.
Oh, no, I've got that many. I'll keep them, but I do.
I used to, and I've got loads. Now this is part of the bodywork bit.
Right.
And as you can see, if you've ever had LED lights, these are to hold the LEDs in.
They call them lead stoppers, don't they?
They do. And then we've got the servo saver.
Well, standard servos there,
yes.
That.
And the differential housings.
I'll call them diff cases, mate.
Yeah.
Get you posh.
I know, I'm posh. And he's
also
also sent me the metal bearings.
They don't come with the kit, guys.
No.
They are extra. They should come with a kit, but they don't.
That's what you get with the kit.
Yeah. Look at the difference. Oh, he's throwing it away.
And we also get a torque tuned motor.
Good motors they are, Rob.
They
I
are.
like them.
Yeah. And then this is the prop shaft and axles half shafts and stuff and things.
That's weird, it doesn't come like that. TT-02, they come on a tree, don't they?
Yeah,
That's weird.
these are already cut out.
Tiny little dog bones.
Yeah.
Very good.
And more stuff.
It's got a big bag now, look.
Yeah,
Big bag of stuff. You've got the chassis brace, haven't you?
yeah.
Battery
Battery
strap.
holder,
See, I know stuff here.
motor plates.
plate.
Motor plate cover, thing, dooblies,
Steering links.
spur gear cover, that's the word I was looking for. Aye.
Look at him. Look at him.
Yeah.
Another big
And
bag.
then we got the steering knuckles and the rear knuckles.
And your
And
extras.
cases.
Sorry, I keep jumping in, sorry Rob.
Where's
It's
it?
your
Oh,
video.
The 12mm hex adapters.
It'll go and get you again, eh? Oh, trumping me now, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, I've got to.
And the tyres.
I've got to. You've already tried these.
I know, I have.
What do you like? You
What you've got to do, haven't you?
Here it goes. You junkie you are, Rob. You're a tyre junkie.
Too right.
Nice though, isn't it?
It is. And a little bumper,
What's that made of?
foam.
What's it made of?
Not foam.
Neoprene.
I can never remember.
Neoprene?
No, I don't think it's neoprene. It's, yeah, summit.
High density foam.
Yeah, that'll do, yeah.
Right.
Aye.
Aye.
And some little wheels.
Oh, are them? They're
Aye.
nice truck wheels, aren't they?
Oh, yeah. You've got a front and a back ones.
Lovely different wheels. That's unusual,
Yeah.
isn't it? To go with them lovely tyres.
It is. And he's also sent me an ESC. I don't know if he comes in the kit.
I think they probably do.
Probably
right?
do,
Those
but-
1060 Tamiya hobby wing things
Yeah.
come with everything now, don't they?
They do.
But they're brilliant because they go down to 8 turn.
They do.
And they'll do 3S as well. If you're brave enough.
Yes, if you're brave enough.
Yeah.
Now, doesn't say on there.
No, it just says LED equipped or something.
Yeah.
Or LED
But,
ready. LED ready.
And that's it.
No, it ain't it, because you've got everything. You got your card there.
Yeah, got my birthday card.
Thanks, Peter.
We don't need that. So, we've got,
We've got standard Emmanuel,
yes,
which is all very good
it is.
for your basic CTO.
Build guide for the
Right.
chassis.
Yeah.
And then we've
then-
got separate for the Buggyra
Buggyra.
Fat Fox.
It's a big appendix type.
It is, yeah.
Addendum or whatever you want to call it.
It
This
is.
is the scary bit, isn't it, Rob? Scary bit. Look at all that work you've got to do. Oh my gosh, Rob.
This is the scary bit though.
Right, show them the sticker page. Where's the sticker page? Look at that! Look at all them stickers, guys. OMG, look at that. That's going to keep you busy for a while, Rob.
Just a bit.
So Peter's thinking of you, but then
Yes.
putting all the bits together, it's going to take ages and hours and hours and hours.
It is.
Wow.
Right.
Pretty cool though, it is.
It is. And just to show you,
He's just showing us.
we've got
Hang on, guys, he's showing us. He's taking it out the bag.
1.5 stroke,
Oh my
1 3/4
stickers.
pages of stickers.
Look at all them stickers, guys. Look at that. They are nice, aren't they?
They are.
Wow. This is going to look fantastic when you've done it, Rob.
Hopefully.
You need about 5 tins of paint, don't you?
Probably will.
I think, yes, 5 different colours.
Oh,
isn't
5
it?
different.
5 different colours. Oh,
Yes.
You didn't show them the window mask, but
No.
you got window mask, guys, because you're supposed to
Yeah.
smoke the windows, is it, Rob?
Yes.
Not like smoking a joint.
Yes, that's one of the
smoke
colours.
I'm talking about, guys.
Yeah.
You can't get it in the bag.
Yeah, so five paints. We've got white, black, dark metallic blue,
Oof.
psychedelic yellow,
Fluorescent yellow, yeah. And stuff.
and the smoke.
And smoke. Yeah.
So,
We used to like a smoke, didn't we?
we did.
Before we got old and pensioned.
Yeah. And we had to give up because
Oh,
we can't cope anymore.
we can't. So now we just have to make do. I'll have my glass of tonic water. Cheers,
Yeah.
guys.
So, with that,
With I'm not even. It's gone to my head that tonic water.
well, we are getting old now.
Well, yeah. Speak for yourself.
Not that I've said that much.
Is it your birthday again, by the way?
It might have been last month.
Oh, well, happy birthday again, dude.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
What a lovely present.
Yes.
It was.
Brilliant. Thanks again, Peter. and hope you enjoyed this one, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers, guys. Bye.
Bye. Suit you, sir.
No, so you. Ooh.